In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile phone number to your Outlook. We'll walk through this in the web version of Outlook, and I'll point out a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open Outlook in your web browser and sign in. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner and select your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose the option that takes you to your Microsoft account. This moves you from the mailbox to your account dashboard, which is where contact and security details are managed for Outlook and other Microsoft services. On the account page, go to the section labeled Your Info. Scroll down until you see Account Info and then select Edit Account Info. You may be asked to sign in again or complete a quick identity check. That's normal, it's a security precaution to protect your account before changes are made. Next, choose Add Phone Number. You'll see a field to select your country or region code. Make sure you pick the correct one, then enter your current mobile phone number. Use a number that you have with you right now so you can immediately receive a text message. Double-check the digits before you continue to avoid delays. When you proceed, Microsoft will send a security code to your phone via SMS. Keep your phone nearby, and when the message arrives, enter the code exactly as shown. These codes usually expire quickly, so input it promptly. If you don't receive a code after a minute or two, make sure your signal is good, confirm the country code and number format, and request a new code if needed. Avoid requesting too many codes in rapid succession, as that can temporarily throttle messages. Once the code is accepted, your mobile number is added to your account. This simple step strengthens your security by enabling sign-in verification and making password recovery much easier if you ever get locked out. It also helps Microsoft notify you about important security events on your account. A couple of quick best practices before we wrap up. Keep your phone number up to date here. If you change carriers or numbers, remove any old numbers you no longer use and don't share verification codes with anyone. If you manage multiple Microsoft accounts, confirm you're updating the correct one by checking the account name at the top of the page. That's it. Thanks for watching.